Hello, welcome. My name is Chamidu Shashinkar. Today I today I'm going to show you my Java mini project in Daycare Center system. Okay, firstly I open exam control panel and start Apache and MySQL and click admin. Here you can see we are going to our database. My database name is Daycare Center. There is a tree table in Daycare Center database. Okay, now we can go to my project. Firstly, I open Java NetBeans. Let's see how run my project. You can see my Daycare Center login page. Uh, Mainly this project which follows the MVC architecture. MVC stand for Model Control View. You can see there is here control package, model package, view package. Now we can see look run it. You can see login interface. Let's login into this. My username is admin and password also is admin. Now you can show your password. Click the show button. There is a correct password and click the submit button. Here we go, new interface in home. You can see my home page. I am include two buttons in this interface. One of them add child and parent details. We can add child details and parent details. Okay, let's see how it works. Firstly, click add child button. Then you can see new interface for child details. Here I include main functionality, search, insert, update and delete functionality. Now we'll see how it works one by one. Firstly, I do insert functionality. Here I type child ID ch dash 002 and child name Dasun. Age is 2. Parent name is Hirosh. The category is male. And click add child button. You can show successful message and click OK button. Now you can see in this table we added the child details. Okay, next we'll see search functionality. Here you can see search bar. If you want any kind of children data in this table, you can input child ID in search bar. Here we can input search ID 002 and click search button. You can see search the data. There is a search functionality. And we clear the data and next we'll see update functionality. If you want to update any children data as before you did search functionality, do it again. You can do it again. Search, can input search bar child ID 003 and click search button. You can see show the data in this field. Now you can update children details. Update child name Amal, age is 2, parent name is Amal, category is male. And I click update button. You can show the successful message and I click OK button. Now you can see the update our children record. Okay, now we can see how to work delete button. If you want to delete children our table, you can input child ID 003 and click the delete button. Now you can see delete the table record, delete the data record in our table. This is the children data interface. Now we can back home page and let's see how it works. Parent details. We click the parent details button and here we can see we are going to new interface parent details. This interface can only do it at parent details only. Search, insert, search, update, delete functionality not allowed in this interface. Okay, let's see how insert parent details our database. Parent ID is P009. Parent name is Aruna. Child name is Nayana. And contact number is 07754112369 and address is Colombo. Now click the submit button. You can show that successful message and click OK button. Now you can see table is update and our parent details include our database. This is that is a brief demonstration of my Java project. We navigate through the home page to add children and add parent details. Thank you.